Hi, we're Dan and Trina Webster, founders of ZQuiet. If you're new to the idea of using a mouthpiece to stop snoring, you may be wondering what to expect. Your ZQuiet Starter Kit comes with 2 sizes, and only one of them is going to be right for you. You always start with the Comfort One device, which provides just a little bit of lower jaw advancement, and it'll help you adjust to the sensation of repositioning your jaw.
The Comfort One may be all that's needed to treat your snoring. If after a few nights you still detect snoring, you should then proceed to the Comfort 2 device, which will further advance the jaw and widen the airway to quiet the snoring.
Because ZQuiet moves your lower jaw slightly forward, some people experience a brief adjustment period. Just like starting a new exercise program, your body needs to adapt to the repositioning of the jaw and sleeping with a mouthpiece. This adjustment period is completely normal, and it happens with any mouthpiece, even expensive custom ones from your dentist.
Some people don't have any issues using a mouthpiece like ZQuiet, but because it's moving your lower jaw forward, it may cause some tooth or jaw discomfort. And if you're not used to sleeping with something in your mouth, you may experience a little drooling or a gag sensation. Rest assured that all these symptoms are common during the adjustment period and subside as you get used to it.
If you have additional questions, be sure to check out the resources on our website or call or email one of our sleep counselors, who are always happy to answer your questions or support you as you adjust to using ZQuiet.